everybody. Today's Sunday, August 3rd, and Redsbird Special and I are at a show down south of town. We're at a campground. There's the RS back there, got her all set for judging. And I'd say there's probably maybe 30-40 cars here right now, but there's still time for more to come in. So we'll walk around. I've seen some different cars already, so we'll get some footage on those. Okay, talk to you later. Okay, here's a beauty. 1941 Chevy. And street rotted. I tell you, this is very, very nice. I've seen this car before at another show, but it's been a few years. Yeah, very nice interior. I mean, this has been well done. 41 Chevy. Nice trunk. Good show, good show. It's a neat street rod. Yeah, they've done a good job on it. Very good. Well, for you Willys fans, isn't this gorgeous? Woo, my goodness. Beautiful Willys street rod. What do you say, 1941 Willys? You know, you normally see the Willys coupes that are street rotted, or they look like gassers. This is a four-door, and of course they've got it street rotted. But boy, does this look nice! Wow, look at the, what do you call those? The rollers on the back. Yeah, nice color combination. Very nice. Yep. Very good. Another look at the interior over here. Yeah. Nice paint job on it too. Very nice. Well, every time I see one of these, I think of my classmate, former classmate, Barb Logan. Barb Woodsmall now. So, Barb and Jim, here's Metropolitan. What is this? 61. And they got a club here, evidently. But, yeah, this is a nice one. Wow. Very nice interior. I guess is that little Continental kit on the back of it? Very nice. Yes, sir.
That's Dwayne Eddy and the Rebels, and that was Cannonball.
1961 Nash Metropolitan. Cool. Very nice. Well, here's a cool rat rod. Looks like it was a 48 Ford truck at one time. Still is. But, yeah, 1948 Ford. The patina. Well, you got this patina all shined up, huh?
Yeah, it's patina there.
Good. Cool. Yep. Seeing more and more of these. They really get creative. That's nice. Here's a good-looking Fairlane 500. Let's see. Can't see what year this is, but it's very clean, very nice. Early muscle car. 1964 Ford Fairlane 500. Cool. Oh, on the floor. Yeah. I bet this is fun. It says 351 on the side. Cool. Oops, I got somebody Looks like they got somebody stuck up in the back seat there. Oh well, I'm sure he'll get out. Very clean, very nice. That's a very cool car. Fairlane 500, 351 high performance it says. And candy, all right. Here we got a 1940 Chevy. I've seen this before, been a while, but good looking car, street rotted. Look at the interior, it's very nice. Those look like original seats, of course new upholstery, but original seats. Yep, I think I've seen this car before. Purple something, purple passion maybe? That's what it says on the spare tire. Nice car, nice street rod. Yep. 1940 Chevy. Good looking. Nice one. Well, I've pictured this Studebaker before. He was parked next to me at a car show down earlier in the season.
That's pretty.
But isn't that beautiful? It's a anyway, I'm going to get some video on it this time. 51 Studebaker Champion, and of course it's been street rotted and shaved and customized, and the paint job is just beautiful. It kind of changes color from a purple to a black depending upon the sun. And look at the interior in this. It's just a beautiful, beautiful car that this guy and I talked to him when he was parked next to me, and he did the work on this car. I think he had somebody paint it for him, but otherwise he did the work on this car. So one of those talented guys, you know. So isn't this cool? Oh, this is a show winner wherever it goes. Yep. Always enjoy seeing this car. Yes, sirree. Oh, we're packing up here at Wildwood, and car show's over, plaques have been presented, and the Redbird Special won a top 25 today, so we're very pleased. Out of 3 shows this weekend, we won 2, so we're very happy with that, very pleased. There's the special all packed up and ready to go. So some more of the Metropolitans over there. So we'll be seeing you later and talking to you later.